Part 1. How to restore iPhone without backup password with iCloud. When you forget the iTunes backup password, iCloud is the first choice for data recovery. As long as you had previously enabled iCloud automatic backup, you can easily restore data to your device. Note: this method will erase all the current data on your iPhone, so make sure to back up any recent data to iCloud before proceeding. Step 1. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. Step 2. Your iPhone will reboot and take you to the setup screen. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the Apps and Data screen. Step 4. Tap Restore from iCloud Backup. Step 5. Sign in with your Apple ID. Step 6. Choose a backup from the list and wait for the restoration process to complete. Part 2. How to restore without iPhone backup password using Coolmuster iPhone data recovery. If you forget the iPhone backup password or iTunes password, you can restore your iPhone directly on your iOS device or from an iTunes backup with the help of Coolmuster iPhone data recovery. 2.1. Recover data from iTunes backup without iPhone backup password. Step 1. After downloading and installing the recommended program on your computer, please launch it and switch to the Recover from iTunes backup file recovery mode. Then, you will get a list of iTunes backup files on the interface. Please select the iTunes backup of your iPhone and click the Start Scan button to scan the files from the selected iTunes backup. Step 2. After the quick scanning, you can see all the files from the selected iTunes backup showing on the interface. Select the data types you want to restore, then tap the Start Scan icon in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Select a category, then choose the specific deleted and existing files on the right. Finally, click the Recover to Computer icon to start restoring files from your iTunes backups. 2.2. Restore data directly on iPhone without iTunes Backup Passcode. If you don't have a backup file, you can use this mode to recover the lost or deleted contents from your iPhone. Step 1. After downloading and installing the program on your computer, open it from your desktop. Then, connect your iOS device to the computer using a USB cable. The software will typically detect your device quickly. Please tap the Trust option on your device to allow recognition. Step 2. Once connected, the following interface will appear. Select the data types you wish to recover, then click Start Scan to proceed. Step 3. After the quick scanning, you can see all the files from your iPhone, including the lost and existing ones. You can visit any file folder to preview and select the desired items for recovery. After selection, please hit the Recover to Computer button to restore the selected data from your iPhone and save it on your computer immediately.